Today, we've got a thrilling lineup for you, 10 of the most dangerous insects in the world. But before we dive in, I have to address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the mosquito in the room. We've decided not to include mosquitoes on this list because, let's face it, they're the vampires of the insect world, and it's just too obvious to mention. So no mosquitoes today. Instead, we've put together a compilation of the lesser known, but incredibly dangerous insects that lives around us. Number 10, Tarantula Hawks. They are known for their remarkable hunting behavior and intense stings. Found in various parts of the world, including the Americas, these wasps are particularly renowned for their interactions with tarantulas and blue-black exoskeletons. The female tarantula hawk seeks out tarantulas, which are many times their size, to serve as hosts for their offspring. After paralyzing the spider with a potent venomous sting, the wasp drags it to a burrow where a single egg is laid on the still-living arachnid. Once hatched, the wasp larva feeds on the paralyzed but alive tarantula, a ghastly spectacle of nature's macabre choreography. What truly sets tarantula hawks apart is the excruciating pain of their sting, considered one of the most intense insect stings experienced by humans. The pain is often described as immediate, excruciating, unrelenting pain that simply shuts down one's ability to do anything except scream and can last about 5 minutes. Thankfully, the sting is not usually fatal to humans, but encountering a tarantula hawk in the wild is a visceral reminder of the diverse and sometimes fearsome strategies that insects employ for survival. Number 9. Velvet ant venture into the meadows of eastern United States, and a creature known as the cow killer emerges as an enigmatic figure. The velvet ant is not a true ant, but a wingless parasitoid wasp adorned with striking hues, vibrant red and black. Despite its alluring appearance, the cow killer harbors a frightening defense mechanism. Females boast a potent sting, reported to be one of the most painful among insects. The cow killer earned its name due to the perceived intensity of its sting, which is rumored to be capable of killing a cow, although this is a gross exaggeration. It's essential to exercise caution and avoid provoking these insects. The cow killer's life cycle is intertwined with that of solitary bees. Females lay their eggs near the entrance of a bee nest, and once hatched, the cow killer larva preys on the bee larvae. This wasp's deceptive beauty, coupled with its fierce sting, casts it as both a marvel and a menace in the grassy landscapes it calls home. Number 8. Fire ants. In the sunlit landscapes of various continents, the diminutive yet formidable fire ants reign as nature's fiery warriors. Originating from South America, these reddish-brown insects have ventured across the globe, establishing their presence with tenacious colonies known for their aggressive behavior. Fire ants derive their name from their potent sting, akin to the sensation of being scorched by fire. The inconspicuous mounds on the ground, which serve as their colonies, betray the intricate organizational complexity that houses thousands to millions of individuals. These social insects operate as a collective force, fiercely defending their nests against perceived threats. The venom delivered through their stings contains alkaloids, inducing a sharp and persistent pain, often resulting in itchy pustules. The sensation can persist for minutes to hours and may lead to allergic reactions in some individuals. Beyond their painful bites, fire ants can pose ecological threats by displacing native species and disrupting ecosystems. Number 7. Yellow jacket wasps. Amidst the warm hues of summer, the yellow jacket wasp, native to North America, takes center stage in the insect symphony. These striking insects, adorned with bold black and vibrant yellow markings, are well known for their distinctive appearance, and unfortunately their potent stinging capabilities. Yellow jackets construct paper-like nests, often hidden in the ground, trees, or man-made structures. Their colonies, with a complex social structure, house thousands of individuals. The sting of a yellow jacket injects venom containing pheromones, serves not only as a painful reminder, but also as a call to arms for the entire colony. Disturbing a single yellow jacket can transform a serene moment into a nightmarish encounter with a swarm of enraged warriors. For those unfortunate enough to be allergic, these encounters escalate into harrowing ordeals, amplifying the terror of these aerial predators. Despite their ecological significance in controlling pest populations, their territorial nature and aggressive defense mechanisms can turn a casual encounter into a painful experience. Number 6. Kissing bugs. They may sound innocuous with their endearing name, but they are vectors of Chagas disease, a potentially serious and sometimes life-threatening illness. Found predominantly in the Americas, these blood-feeding insects, often adorned with dark markings and a characteristic cone-shaped head, are adept at hiding in cracks and crevices, emerging primarily at night to feed on the blood of mammals. including humans. The term kissing bug stems from their tendency to bite around the face, particularly near the lips and eyes, while their victims sleep, earning them the less charming moniker of assassin bugs. What makes these insects particularly alarming is their ability to transmit the parasite Trypanosoma cruzi through their feces. After feeding, they defecate near the bite wound, allowing the parasite to enter the bloodstream when the host unknowingly scratches or rubs the area. The repercussions of a kissing bug encounter extend beyond the initial discomfort, echoing into the world of Chagas disease, an insidious condition that, if left untreated, can lead to severe cardiac and gastrointestinal complications. The enigma lies in the bug's inconspicuous demeanor, offering a stark reminder that danger can lurk in the most unassuming corners of our surroundings. Number 5. Setti Flies. Enter the savannas and woodlands of sub-Saharan Africa, and the Setti fly emerges as a formidable and notorious inhabitant. These flies display a distinctive resting behavior during the daytime, seeking refuge in shaded areas such as bushes and trees. Imagine the dense vegetation concealing these silent hunters waiting for their unsuspecting prey. The air is charged with an unsettling stillness, broken only by the ominous buzz of the tsetse fly. Their blood-red eyes, glinting in the darkness, reflect the malevolence of their silent quest. The tsetse fly's saliva contains potent enzymes that aid in blood feeding, but also introduces the deadly Trypanosoma parasites into the bloodstream of their host. This transmission of disease has significant consequences, contributing to the prevalence of sleeping sickness, a debilitating and potentially fatal illness affecting thousands in the region. Their unique reproductive biology, viviparity, sets them apart in the insect world, with females giving birth to live larvae rather than laying eggs. Number 4. Botfly larvae. In the realm of parasitic horror, the botfly larva, also known as maggot, manifests as a nightmarish entity within the insect world. Originating from the tropical regions of the Americas, these parasitic larvae wield a sinister life cycle that strikes dread into the hearts of both humans and animals. The botfly larval stage is characterized by its spiky appearance and ability to move within the host's tissues. The botfly employs a cunning strategy to infiltrate the human body. First, the adult female botfly attaches her eggs to a mosquito's. When this insect lands on a human for a blood meal, the body heat triggers the botfly eggs to hatch. Upon hatching, the larvae enter the host through hair follicles or other openings. Within the host's flesh, the botfly larva matures, feeding on surrounding tissue and bodily fluids. The host is often blissfully unaware until the larva reaches a critical stage, at which point it emerges from the skin to pupate into its adult form. While the infestation is generally not life-threatening, it can lead to pain, swelling, and inflammation. Removing the larvae usually requires professional medical attention to prevent complications and ensure a complete extraction. Number 3. Asian giant hornets. The world's largest hornet is boasting an impressive length of up to 2 inches and an expansive wingspan stretching nearly 3 inches. Native to Japan, but can also be found in several countries in Asia, these formidable insects thrive in low mountainous regions and forests, constructing nests typically situated underground or in tree hollows. Cloaked in hues of ominous orange and dark brown, their appearance is a visual proclamation of their prowess. What sets the Asian giant hornet apart is its notorious sting, delivering a potent venom capable of dissolving cell membranes. The venom can cause intense pain, swelling, and tissue necrosis. For humans, a sting from this horrifying creature is not just excruciating, but potentially lethal. The venomous injection can lead to severe allergic reactions, organ failure, and even death in extreme cases. The danger posed by this airborne giant extends beyond its impressive size. Armed with powerful mandibles capable of decimating prey with surgical precision, the hornet is not merely a predator. It is an executioner in the insect realm. An entire honeybee colony of about 30,000 individuals can be destroyed in several hours. Number 2. Australian bull ants. Embark on an exploration of Australia's diverse ecosystems, and you'll likely encounter the bull ant, a noteworthy inhabitant of the continent's arid landscapes. These robust ants, known for their impressive size reaching up to 1.5 inches, aggressive behavior, and potent stings, construct nests in soil, often with multiple entrances. While bull ants possess stingers, their venom is not as potent as that of some other ant species. Nevertheless, their bites induces a sharp, burning agony that can persist for hours. Victims often describe the pain as searing, throbbing, and accompanied by a lingering discomfort. The fear-inducing reputation of bull ants is not only rooted in their aggressive behavior, but is notably etched in the enduring memory of those who have experienced the searing pain of their relentless stings. Bull ants are equipped with powerful mandibles that contribute to their fearsome reputation. These mandibles, designed for cutting and gripping, are prominent features that enhance their predatory and defensive capabilities. Number 1. Executioner wasps. This yellow and brown paper wasp found in Central and South America is recognized not just for its sting, but also through the merciless behavior of its colony. These wasps are known for their aggressive defense mechanisms, launching coordinated attacks on perceived threats. Executioner wasps earned its name due to its notorious reputation for delivering a sting that is purportedly more painful than those of the Asian giant hornet and bull ant, solidifying its standing as a dominant insect in the realm of painful stings and often called the king of sting. The true danger lies in the potency of their venom, containing a mix of toxic compounds. The venom of the executioner wasp induces intense pain, swelling, and for some individuals, severe allergic reactions. The pain is often described as searing and persistent, resembling the feeling of being pricked by multiple fiery needles simultaneously, leaving a lasting impression on those unfortunate enough to be targeted. As we conclude this enthralling journey through the perilous world of insects, it's undeniable that these tiny creatures wield a power that belies their size. From the relentless aggression of the executioner wasp to the nightmarish parasitic prowess of the botfly larva, each insect on our list showcases nature's ability to create both marvels and menaces. As we ponder the dangers these insects pose, we're curious. Have you ever had a personal encounter with any of the insects on our list? Whether you're an ardent nature enthusiast or someone simply fascinated by the mysteries of the insect world, remember to approach these creatures with caution and respect. If you've enjoyed this journey through the 10 most dangerous insects, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more captivating explorations of the natural world. Until next time.